Hello fellow Beaners, it's Chris Hardy here again, and today we're dealing with a topic which is what happens when our screen doesn't look like the normal Jellybean Media Centre screen. Well, I'm going to set it up on purpose so that it doesn't at this point, and I'll show you the two normal options that will happen instead. So I'm going to click on Appearance, I'm going to click on Skin, it's going to take a couple seconds to pop up. Once it's done, I'm going to change it to a version that you may normally see instead. Not a big deal to go around this and get it fixed. So sometimes this has got a blue background, sometimes it's got a black background, but at the bottom, as you can see, things are different than normal. I'm going to scroll as far over to the right as I can. Notice that I can't put the word System in the middle like I can on my normal Jellybean Media Centre taskbar. I go over System and a new submenu pops up. I go over to Settings and I click on Settings. From there, I'm going to type in my 4 zeros, right, the master lock code, and hit enter. I'm going to go to Appearance, and that's what we're dealing with. I'm going to click on Skin, and of course, I would click from here onto the AEON NOX. When I do so, it's going to ask me if I want to save this change. I say yes. As you guys can tell in the background already, my media center looks the way it's supposed to. Okay, let's go show you the other version that may happen. So click on Appearance, click on Skin, and it drops down to a version called Retouched. So I'm going to click Yes. Now, you can immediately see all those dots here on the page, okay? These dots could appear on the page with still a taskbar still being below here, okay? If that's the case, no problem. You just do the same thing we did earlier. Go and click on Systems, then submenu, you're gonna have Settings, go up and change the appearance. If this screen happens, again, it's not a big deal. The Settings box is down here instead, right? 'Cause something that we're commonly used to from things like phone apps. I click on the Settings, I enter in the 4 digits, the 4 zeros, as the master lock code. I hit enter. Once again, Appearance pops up in the top left. I'm going to click on Skin. I'm going to click on this version, let it open itself up. Going to click on the AEON NOX version. I'm going to yes, keep the change, and I'm going to exit back out by hitting the back button on the remote. But as you can see, I'm now in my normal Jellybean Media Center that allows me to use everything the way I like to. Hope that helps out. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.